Hi everyone, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we'll be discussing SSC CGL 2022 Tier 2 General Awareness questions. Let's start. Which of the following is an indirect tax? Let's see the options. Goods and services tax, capital gains tax, gift tax, wealth tax. So which of the following is an indirect tax? And the answer is goods and services tax, that is GST. Next. Below are few statements given about afforestation. And what are the statements? Statement A says afforestation could prevent flooding, and statement B says afforestation can balance our ecosystem. Which of the above statement is or correct? So if you look at here, statement A says afforestation could prevent flooding. It's true, and afforestation can balance our ecosystem. And the options are both A and B, only B. Both A and B are incorrect, only A. And the right answer is both A and B are correct. That is, afforestation could prevent flooding and can balance our ecosystem. Next. Which of the following state has the highest fertility rate in India according to 2011 census? As I said, 2011 census is very important from the exam point of view. Options: Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab, Bihar. So as per 2011 census, which state has the highest fertility rate in India? And the answer is Bihar. Next. What is the correct order of radiation in decreasing order of frequencies? We'll see the options. Radio wave is greater than X-rays, greater than microwaves, greater than infrared. Infrared is greater than microwaves, which is greater than radio waves, which is greater than X-rays. X-rays greater than infra, which is greater than micro, which is greater than radio. And infra is greater than micro, which is greater than X-rays, which is greater than radio waves. Now they are asking what correct order of radiation in decreasing order of frequency. A decreasing order. And the right answer is X-rays has more frequency. Okay, highest frequency. Then infrared, then microwaves, then radio waves. Next. Which law was studied in the year 1787 in which it was said that the volume of a gas increases with its absolute temperature, and if its absolute temperature decreases, then its volume will decrease. If the temperature increases, volume of gas increases. If the temperature decreases, volume of gas decreases. Let's see the option. Avogadro's law, Charles' law, Boyle's law, Dalton's law. Which law stated that volume of gas increases with increase in temperature and decreases with the decrease in temperature? And the answer is Charles' law. Next. Match list 1 and list 2 regarding the BCA Awards for the year 2022. Let's see the options. Rishabh Pant, best batsman in test match for the year 2022. Jasprit Bumrah, best bowler in the test match for the year 2022. Surya Kumar Yadav, best batsman in one-day international matches for the year 2022. And Shreyas Iyer, best batsman in T20 matches for the year 2022. Let's see the options. Okay. And the right answer is Rishabh Pant, best batsman in test matches for the year 2022. Jasprit Bumrah, best bowler in the test match for the year 2022. Surya Kumar Yadav, okay, Surya Kumar Yadav, best batsman in T20 matches for the year 2022. Shreyas Iyer, best batsman in the one-day international match. Clear? Next. Which of the following statement is or correct about the neighboring countries of India? Let's see the statement. India supported Maldives in 2022 with a grant of nearly $4 billion to support the dwindling economy. And statement 2 says India has the highest GDP in dollar terms as compared to Sri Lanka, Bhutan and Bangladesh. We'll see options, neither A nor B, both A and B, only B, only A. So which of the following statement is correct about neighboring countries of India? The right answer is only B. That is, India has the highest GDP in dollar terms as compared to Sri Lanka, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Next. Identify which of the following statement are correct. And the statement 1 says The headquarters of ICAR, Directorate of Groundnut Research, is located in Junagadh. The headquarters of ICAR, Director Rapeseed and Mustard Seed, in located in Bharatpur, and headquarters of ICAR, Directorate of Soybean Research, is located in Indore. And the options are 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the headquarters of ICAR? And the right answer is all the three are correct. That is, Directorate of Groundnut Research is located in Junagadh. Directorate of Rapeseed and Mustard Research is located in Bharatpur. And Directorate of Soybean Research is located in Indore. Next. In 1962, who published the history of ocean basins, which outlined the theory of how tectonic plates could move, later called sea floor spreading? In the options, George Edward Beckus, Alfred Wegener, Harry Hammond Hess, and Louis Bauer. In 1962, who published the history of ocean basin? Later, it was called sea floor spreading, which was related to tectonic plates. And the answer is Harry Hammond Hess. Next. Which group of animals are named because of their spiny skin and have a peculiar water-driven tube system that they use for moving around? Let's see the options. Mollusca, Hemichordata, and Ichnodermata, Astlymentes. So which group of animals are named because of their spiny skin and have a peculiar water-driven tube system that use for moving around? And the answer is Echinodermata. Next. Which of the following books was written by the Roman writer Pliny the Elder? Options: Indica, Periplus of the Erythraean Sea, Geographica, and Natural History. So which of the following books was written by Roman writer Pliny the Elder? The answer is Natural History. Next. In India, which of the following bills cannot be introduced in the Rajya Sabha? Option A says the Constitutional Amendment Bill, the Money Bill, both Constitutional Amendment and ordinary bills, the ordinary bills. So which of the bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha? The right answer is Money Bill. It is introduced only in Lok Sabha. It is never introduced in Rajya Sabha, and it will be introduced with the prior permission of President of India. Next. In India, which of the following is not an objective of the national manufacturing policy? And the options: to increase the rate of job creation so as to create 100 million additional jobs by 2022, to double the exports of manufacturing goods by 2022, to enhance global competitiveness, domestic value addition, technological depth, and environmental sustainability of growth. To increase the sectorial share of manufacturing in GOP to at least 25% by 2022. So in India, which of the following is not an objective of national manufacturing policy? And the right answer is to double the exports of manufacturing goods by 2022 is not the objective of national manufacturing policy. Next. Which of the following is essential to form hemoglobin in blood? Iron, fats, calcium, protein. So which is essential to form hemoglobin in blood? The right answer is iron. Next. Which article of the Constitution of India empowers a High Court to issue a writ? Article 226, Article 132, Article 32, Article 143. And the right answer is Article 226, which empowers High Court to issue a writ. What is the name of the scheme launched in 2021 for students to attain foundational literacy and numeracy up to class 3? Safal, Nista 2.0, Sugam, Nipun Bharat. So what was the name of the scheme launched in 2021 for students to attain foundational literacy and numeracy up to class 3? The right answer is Nipun Bharat. Next. Which of the following can degrade detritus into simpler inorganic substance? And the options: algae, phytoplankton, lichens, fungal enzymes. So which of the following can degrade detritus into simpler or inorganic substance? And the right answer is fungal enzymes. Which article of the Constitution of India lays down that an Indian citizen has a right to use any restaurant, road or public place? And the options are Article 15 of 2, Article 17 of 1, Article 14 of 2, Article 16 of 1. So which article of the Indian Constitution laid down that any Indian citizen has a right to use any restaurant, road or public places? As per Article 15(2). Next. Zafar Khan was a famous general of which of the following rulers of Delhi Sultanate? And the options: Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Balban, Alauddin Khilji. So Zafar Khan was a famous general of which of the following ruler of Delhi Sultanate? The answer is Alauddin Khilji. Next. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the changes made to small saving schemes by the Government of India in December 2022? And the options: the interest rate of 5-year National Savings Certificate has been increased to 7% from 6.8%. The interest rate on senior citizen savings scheme increased to 8% from 7.6%. The interest rate on public provident fund, Sukanya Samriddhi account and saving deposit have been changed from 9% from 7.5%. Let's see the options: A and C, A, B and C, A and B, B and C. Which of the following statement is correct? And the right answer is A and B. Next. In which year was the Doppler effect discovered by Austrian scientist Christian Doppler that describes the change in frequency of any kind of sound or light wave produced by a moving source with respect to an observer? 1842, 1846, 1844, 1840. In which year Doppler effect was discovered? And the right answer is 1842. Next. What was the distance, around in kilometers, covered by the first ever train between Bombay and Thane in the year 1853? 1853. And the options: 34 kilometers, 38 kilometers, 25 kilometers, 51 kilometers. So what was the distance covered by the first ever train between Bombay and Thane? The right answer is 34 kilometers. Next. Identify a class of compounds that has a functional group OH. And the options are alcohol, ketone, ethane, aldehyde. So OH group, OH functional group, what we call alcohol. Next. Match the columns. So mineral and resource region: bauxite, Lohardaga, mica, Bilwara, coal, Junjunu, copper, Jaria. And let's see the options. So these are the minerals and resource region. And the right answer is bauxite, Lohardaga, mica, Bilwara, coal, Jaria, copper, Junjunu. Next. With the 2022 amendments to the Indian Constitution, which of the following communities have been granted the scheduled tribe status by the Government of India? Narikorawaran community, Hatte community, Kadu Kuruba community, Kapu community. So with the 2022 amendments of the Indian Constitution, few communities have been granted the scheduled tribe status by the Government of India. And the options: A and D, A, B, C and D, B, C and D, A, B, C. So which communities have been granted the scheduled tribe status by the Government of India? The right answer is A, B and C. That is Nari Korawaran community, Hatte community, Kadu Kuruba community have been granted the scheduled tribe status by the Government of India. So we are done with 25 questions. We'll come up with more questions. Thank you. All the best.